welcome to my YouTube channel Cricket Trivia. Please watch and subscribe. Which visiting team has been wrapped up for a paltry 166 by South Africa at Kingsmead, Durban in the Boxing Day Test match in 1996? Answer: India. Which West Indian cricketer scored an unbeaten 112 of 45 balls against South Africa in the ICC World T20 in 2010, as it was the first ever century in Women's T20 International? Answer: Deandra Doughtin. Which Indian city has witnessed a series of explosions that killed at least 60 people during the inaugural IPL in 2008? Answer: Jaipur. Which country, formerly known as Rhodesia from 1965 to 1979, before gained its test status? Answer: Zimbabwe. Which West Indian cricketer was dismissed in 90s in both innings of a test match twice in his career? Answer: Gordon Greenidge. Who captained England in 12 tests without winning even a single match between 1980 and 1981? Answer: Ian Botham. Which English bowler played only 3 tests in his career but won Man of the Match award in his first 2 tests in 2003? Answer: Richard Johnson. Why did Zimbabwe opt out of T20 World Cup in England in 2009? Answer: their cricket board didn't think that UK government issue visas for their team members. Name the former Pakistan captain who is nicknamed Mr. Majestic, and he is also the cousin of legendary Pakistan all-rounder Imran Khan. Answer: Majid Khan. Which Australian cricketer of 1970s was nicknamed Tangles or Tanglefoot for his unusual action of delivering from the front foot? Answer: Max Walker. Which Pakistan cricketer has scored an unbeaten 101 in the team total of 135 for 1 against India at Lahore in 1982, and Pakistan's score is the lowest test innings total to include an individual century? Answer: Mohsin Khan. Which cricketers 221 and 130 against Sri Lanka in a test match at SSC Colombo in 2001-2 made him the only batsman to finish on the losing side despite a double century and a century in the same test? Answer: Brian Lara. Why did the ODI match between India and Pakistan at Sahiwal on November 3, 1978 enter into cricket annals? Answer: it was the first ever ODI to be conceded by a team. Which English county won its first ever official county championship title in 2003 after a wait of 164 years, and subsequently became the dominant team of the decade, repeating the success in 2006 and 2007? Answer: Sussex. Name the West Indian cricketer who holds the record of first ever cricketer to be dismissed hit wicket on his first ball in Test cricket, an unwanted record he achieved in the Test match against New Zealand at Basin Reserve, Wellington in 2017-18. Answer: Sunil Ambriz. The inaugural event was titled the McDonald's Bicentennial Youth World Cup and was held in South Australia and Victoria in 1988 as part of the Australian Bicentenary celebrations. Name the tournament. Answer: ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup. Who is the only cricketer to score 10 consecutive 25-plus scores in the first 10 innings in his ODI career? Answer: Joe Root. Name the Australian Test venue where the ground is influenced by afternoon sea breezes of the Derwent River. Answer: Bellerive Oval, Hobart. Name the New Zealand cricketer who is credited with the record of first player in Test history to hit a six off the first ball faced on Test debut, a feat he achieved against West Indies at Sabina Park, Kingston in 2014. Answer: Mark Craig. This cricketer's score of an unbeaten 267 for Madhya Pradesh against Hyderabad at Indore in the Ranji Trophy in 2018-19 is the world record for the highest ever score by a player on his first-class debut. Answer: Ajay Rohera. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.